Oh, but look at where he is now.
I could never know this was dented though.
What's that? She will be good. Yeah, we try to always on this, trying to make the best of it. Fuck.
Well, these ones are ready, eh? Do you already sand these ones down?
I tell you, because I don't know. I'm gonna see how this year, how much work I can complete on the house, how everything's gonna be. They're announcing that another company again now, another 40 people gonna get jobs. It's some kind of.
Look at the sunset.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're gonna,
Very nice sunset.
they're gonna be another company opening, another 40 jobs getting jobs.
Where? Like
In
a
Sarnia.
like a machine shop?
It's something.
Another trip over the Blue Water Bridge. Took up some cheap gas. In the mid-70s, a guy that I knew jumped off this bridge. I can't remember the height of this bridge, 270 feet high or something like that. He was all drunk, cops were chasing him. The Canadian cops were radioed the American cops. They cut him off at the center of the bridge up here. He was in a stolen car. And he got out right about up here, jammed the car into the side rail, got out, jumped. I think it was like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, pitch black, drunker than hell. And so drunk he was loose, like when he landed in the water, so he didn't hit it flat, and he lived. People couldn't believe it. The police went to his parents' house in the morning. They searched for him all night, couldn't find him. Police went to his parents' house in the morning, told them that their son had jumped off the bridge and more than likely had died. And what happened is he swam down the river down there and ended up along the shore, crawled over the bank and passed out under some bushes for the night, all drunk, and ended up staggering home. About 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, got home, and his mom, he went in the back door into the kitchen, and his mom was standing there and thought she'd seen a ghost, thought it was a ghost, started screaming. And he's going, "What are you screaming about?" He says, "I'm here, I'm alive." And police told her that he had died. Police didn't even charge him. They didn't give any charges because they thought that was scary enough for his family and for himself. We got so scared that he jumped off the bridge. Actually, the police felt bad about it that he did that at the time. But he's the only guy that I know that survived jumping off that bridge, and there's probably 8 or 10 a year here that jump off that bridge and die, commit suicide. And that was like in the mid-70s. Okay, I gotta go through customs here. I better shut this off. Yeah, look at the color of
Nice
that.
color.
It does
Those
look nice,
fucking
eh?
toners, what it's inside, Bruce?
Yeah.
Those toners, those are the ones. It's it's like $400 a toner. All that orange. Yeah.
You had that?
Yeah, I have all of them. Yeah. This one I'm just gonna water sand polish. This one I put 3 coats heavy. So that's.
Well,
done.
this one, you didn't have to sand this one down, though.
Which one? Oh yeah.
Huh?
Everything I said.
The
No, I
bare-
didn't
you-
strip it, not to the
Oh,
bottom.
this one you didn't strip, no.
No. But beautiful fucking
Yeah.
colors in them.
Yeah, it does. That's just in the light in here.
So it's like a light orange and then it's coarse orange.
Which was the side that was dented?
That side.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at the light on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This side.
Wow. Yeah, and the light, it makes it look,
Yeah.
it goes lighter.
Yeah, orangey and
Orange, yeah.
sparkly. It depends.
Yeah.
Like a nice color, motherfucker.
Yeah, there you can see the metal flake in it.
See how orange and see how sparkly it is? Like 2 different colors almost in that fucking.
So what do you got to do now? You got to,
Let it dry.
yeah, but you're going to sand it.
Tomorrow morning.
What do you sand it with?
No, send it down to be 600 and 800.
600, 800, and then another coat of clear coat.
Yeah, a couple more coats clear and then water sand it and water sand that thing and polish. So there's no bucket seats. I'm just gonna put
They
it
can't
right
fall
now.
off that. Jeez.
No.
Nice.
Good color. I like the color.
Yeah, so he's got to get new decals again, huh? He
Yeah.
puts the decals on himself then? Yeah.
So once I get this thing done, then I can bring the Mercedes in, cover it up,
Yeah.
and it stays. Yeah, the fucking colors like two different colors into it.
Yeah, when you get the bright light on it, really lightens it up.
It's like dark green and orange.
When you first come in, it's like dark, but then when you look into the light,
That's when I started painting it way back. I didn't like it. Like I
Gets
I thought it's like, you know, it's gonna be recentered and clear coated. Make it perfect. Like one-sided tank, when you look at it, on the top it looks orangey, and then
Yeah,
that side
it
looks
was brown.
darkery,
Looks-
and a big spark, a flake into it.
yeah. Yeah, hopefully that green comes out like that too, and we get that metal flake green. So that, I wonder if, for that green for that orange, so I wonder if I should get, if you call that guy, I can go out there and pick it up.
I call it Monday for the book because
Yeah.
I'm gonna send the money down too.
Need to get some paper too.
And something else I needed, I forgot.
Sandpaper and,
Sandpaper?
I thought you said you needed some,
I got sandpaper.
there was something else you were missing. You forgot to order. Let me get a video of this Mercedes here. He's just got to touch this up a little bit. V8.
I did not a little job to paint that mold, but fuck. Much fun right now.
Yeah, this is nice.
Thank you.
So you got the tractor.
It's smooth. It's Bruce, this thing is so smooth. I fully understand why he picked it. You know, they are Mercedes like that, much cheaper, they're smaller, and they got like 4-cylinder engine in it.
Yeah.
Just ding dongs cars. Yeah. Not like this.
No.
This thing, and it's underneath, fuck it, it's popless.
Oh yeah, this car's mint.
Yeah.
Oh my God, looks like brand new. What are you doing over there? Get your ass up. Huh, kitty? Huh? Huh? Huh, kitty? Come on, Buddha.
Oh, he's gonna try to get in here, that cat.
Come on, Buddha. Oh, come on.
Got Oriental rugs in here.
2003.
Yeah. And even then, it's got the digital screen back then.
Yeah, the brakes, everything is like brand new.
Really nice. Yeah, we'll see if Bill will buy it.
Look, somebody will buy it. There's no doubt.
Oh yeah, it's in mint. Mint.
There's never been an accident, never been nothing. Somebody will buy it.
That is a good-looking bike. He's cleaned it up pretty nice, Wayne.
I know.
Yeah, there's my new bike.
Oh, he's really shined it up.
That's the air breather that came with it? Or
No,
you
oh no, I've got two other ones.
That's the aftermarket one there.
Yeah, one of them. Yeah.
Yeah, that ever nice.
Hello.
Where's your hubby?
He's coming.
Oh,
I like how they did this
Your
too.
jacket up?
oh I can't, just barely. Just barely. I tried the other day.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
You look good.
It's a good-looking bike, eh? Really nice looking
Yeah,
bike.
it is. You did good. Frank says it feels smaller to you.
The bike.
So you're good to go.
Where's the? Oh, they. I gotta go get smoked since I'm doing such a good
We
job.
have to
quitting.
get some kind. I don't know. You got this. Where they
Wayne.
cross here, so.
Go get your go get the.
Oh, it's still on.
Champix. Go get the Champix.
Oh, I can quit when I'm ready to. I will. But
You have to pick a day with the first 2 weeks. I was down for day 4.
Oh, battery. That was lower there.
She was charged.
Yeah, full charge, yeah.
It's that fucking security system.
Yeah,
fucking thing.
it is.